the operational induction of this aircraft into the Indian Air Force. They are good to go and deliver. This timely induction would not have been possible without the active support of the French government, their Air Force, and the industry. Despite the severe impact and constraints due to COVID, the industry ensured that the deliveries were not unduly delayed and the training continued. I would like to place on record our deep appreciation for the French Air Force for their support, including the tankers that they provided for a single hop long ferry in order to rapidly ferry the aircraft back home. I am especially grateful to Her Excellency, Madame Florence Parly, Minister for the Armed Forces of France, for her unstinted support and for taking out time to be with us here today. Thank you very much. Undoubtedly, this aircraft induction would not only give the Indian Air Force immense op capability, but would become a crucial milestone in the growth of our strategic relationship. To conclude, I would like to thank all the dignitaries and media present here today on this historic occasion. My compliments to the AOC-INC Western Air Command, AOC Ambala and their entire teams. Commanding Officer of the Golden Arrows, Group Captain Harkirat Singh and his entire team for hard work and professionalism displayed in order to operationalize this aircraft quickly. And this effort needs to continue as we bring in the balanced aircraft and the air crew and ground crew trained on the aircraft. I have no doubt that the aircraft capabilities combined with the commitment and zeal of the Golden Arrows would make a lethal combination. And I expect the Golden Arrows to intimidate and dominate whenever and wherever employed. Jai Hind.